How to transfer WhatsApp account and chats from old phone to new phone. For that, first of all, make sure that you have updated version of WhatsApp application and then launch your WhatsApp application and make sure that you have logged into your account. Then hit on the setting gear icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you go through the settings home page, you will see this interface. From here, choose chats and under the chats you will see chat backup option. If you go through chat backup option, there you will see backing up. If it is turned on, then when you try logging into new phone, all of your chats will be automatically stored. So before switching to new phone, make sure that your chat backup is turned on. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.